How to create root from a pineapple stem to plant. I'm going to cut it right at the crown. Peel off all the extra leaves down here, about an inch. Look how lucky it's already have roots already. I'm going to keep on peeling, okay? But look how cool, it already has roots. I'm just going to trim this part right here. I'm going to help the root by cutting this part here to expose it. You see? I'm going to do it all the way around. You see? Just like this. Long and narrow, and you can fill up the water up to here. Drop it in. New rooting will take 27 days. We'll keep you posted.